her a warm welcome, Dr. Dan, ladies and gentlemen, okay?
You just let it fester. And it gave life to your destiny, right? So if you ever thought that you were not important or you don't have something to bring to the table, let this picture remind you that just a drop in the bucket has ripples, has impact, right?
Always angry.
She's surprised. Something happened. This one is smiling. And this one is just off his rockets. So even though you think that you are not, you're not saying something because you're not opening your mouth, you are saying something, right? So how do you know when there's a problem, right? So we come down to it. When I do these training and coaching, I don't like to say, okay, here are the 10 things that you need to do. I like for you to ask yourself questions so you can think, right? I want to provoke thought. How can you be more accepting of yourself and your faults and everybody else around you? What can you do? What can you say? Have you ever got so offended at someone about something that you thought about it all day?